Here we go. First till of the day with the Yoda. You might get out of the way, bud. That cable breaks. It'll come flinging. Yeah, stand up on that and then jump over. That's what I had to do. The Yoda at its best here, folks.
Winch. Winch.
He's doing it. He's just slower than the truck's moving. He's gonna make it this time. And he's getting into the hole. This will be the one we'll see about. Can he get through this hole? He's doing it pretty much on his own. But I don't know about this last part. Oh yeah. He's losing the tire. He grabbed traction though. He's doing it. He's doing it.
Yeah.
This way, Dustin. Okay, use that winch. Don't feel bad about it. That's what you got it for. Use it when you need it. Attaboy.